Hey there, and welcome back to Senior Men's Health. I'm Dr. Sophia Carter, and today we're diving into a game changer. Specific foods and compounds you can eat daily to naturally boost your testosterone levels. The science here is rock solid, and I'm excited to share solutions most doctors overlook. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss this. Low testosterone impacts your energy, muscle mass, mood, cognitive function, metabolic health, and sexual performance. Modern men have significantly lower testosterone than their counterparts 50 years ago due to diet, stress, and environmental factors. But the good news, certain foods can increase your testosterone by 20-50% or more. Let's get into what you can eat starting today. First up, raw oysters. They're a zinc powerhouse. 6 medium oysters deliver about 32 milliliters of zinc, nearly triple the daily recommendation. Zinc is critical for testosterone production and prevents testosterone from converting to estrogen. Studies show zinc supplementation can boost testosterone by up to 93% in deficient men. Oysters also contain D-aspartic acid, which increased testosterone by 42% in one study. Aim for raw oysters once or twice a week. No oysters? Try pumpkin seeds for a zinc boost. Next, raw garlic. It's intense, but its compound allicin reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone. Garlic also supports cholesterol, the building block of testosterone, and improves blood flow. Crush 1 to 2 cloves, let them sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin, then eat raw with honey or in a salad dressing. Do this daily. Manage the breath with parsley or mint. Ginger root is another winner. Studies show ginger boosts testosterone by 17 to 18% by reducing oxidative stress, increasing luteinizing hormone, and improving insulin sensitivity. Grate 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger, about a 1-inch piece, into smoothies, tea, or chew it daily. Fresh is best, but dried works too. Dark chocolate, at least 75% cacao, is a tasty option. Its flavonoids reduce testosterone to estrogen conversion, and magnesium supports hormone production. Eat 1 to 2 ounces daily for better cardiovascular health and vitality. Fenugreek seeds are a traditional testosterone booster. Studies show they increase free testosterone, strength, and libido by inhibiting enzymes that reduce testosterone. Soak 1 teaspoon of seeds overnight, then chew them or add to smoothies. They're bitter but effective. Brazil nuts are selenium superstars. Just 2 to 3 nuts meet your daily needs. Selenium supports thyroid function and testosterone production. Snack on them daily, but don't overdo it. Pomegranate juice or seeds can raise testosterone by up to 24% in 2 weeks, per studies. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Drink 8 ounces of pure juice or eat seeds daily. Avoid sugary juice cocktails. Celery contains androsterone, a pheromone that supports testosterone and blocks estrogen conversion. Eat a few stalks daily as a snack, in juice or with almond butter. Coconut, especially unrefined coconut oil, provides saturated fats essential for hormone production. Studies show men eating healthy fats have higher testosterone. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in coffee or cooking. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and boron, which can boost free testosterone by 28% in a week. Eat 1 avocado daily in salads, smoothies, or as guacamole. Finally, egg yolks are a testosterone powerhouse, rich in cholesterol, vitamin D, and healthy fats. Eat 2 to 3 whole eggs daily. Don't fear the cholesterol. It's vital for hormones. For a daily ritual, try my testosterone power bite. Blend 2 Brazil nuts, half an avocado, a handful of parsley, 1 crushed garlic clove, a tablespoon of honey, and a squeeze of lemon. This delivers zinc, selenium, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Have it once a day. Expect noticeable improvements in energy, mood, and libido within 2 to 4 weeks, with bigger changes in strength and body composition after 2 to 3 months. Consistency is key. Pair these foods with 7 to 9 hours of sleep, regular weightlifting, stress management, and avoiding endocrine disruptors like BPA in plastics. Start with 3 to 5 foods: oysters or pumpkin seeds, garlic, ginger, Brazil nuts, and avocado. Then add others like pomegranate or eggs. Track your energy, mood, and libido in a journal, and consider testing your testosterone after a few months. If you're on testosterone therapy, consult your doctor before making changes. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Senior Men's Health for more natural health strategies. I'm Dr. Sophia Carter. Take charge of your testosterone and stay strong, energetic, and vital. See you next time.